Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos.
Typing into our browser, www.squarespace.com. We'll begin by clicking the Login button. Now, if you're new to Squarespace, you'll need to start by going into Create an Account to add your username and password. Choose a method to log in. You'll see that you can either use an existing Google, Apple, or Facebook account, or you can use your existing email address and password to log in. Please pause the video now and take a moment to log in to Squarespace. Once you log in, we can resume your video. Okay, now that you're in, let's get started. From your Squarespace dashboard, let's select the Create Website button. Now, Squarespace has hundreds of templates to choose from that support all different types of businesses and verticals. For this course, feel free to spend some time here choosing a template that will best serve you. To do so, pause the video until you've found your template. However, I'll be using the Hester template with a storefront called Pickle Perfection. I'm just scrolling through now to find it. Here it is. To select this template, we'll hover over it and click Start with Hester. Once it loads, we're going to do just some quick setup. We'll need to give our sites a name, preferably your company or brand name. I'm going to call this site Hester Pickles. Go ahead and click Continue. And Squarespace will show you over on the right a quick tutorial on how to edit and adjust your website, but we're going to move past that now. So click Next, Next, and then Get Started. Now that we've created our website, we're ready to begin task 2, where we'll set up our site level optimization. I'll see you there.